I'm a welding student. Of course my rod doesn't come off when it's fixed.
We're welding instructors. Of course we have students waiting in line to get their welds checked.
We're welding students. Of course we spend half our time prepping our metals.
We're welding students. Of course we got leather boots on.
I'm a welding student. Of course I know where all the first aid kits are.
We're welding students. Of course our bags are full of metal. We're women in welding. Of course we go to CR.